Hey guys, in this video, we are going to review the Yeedi K600 robot vacuum cleaner. You can buy right now. If you want more information and update and pricing, be sure check the links in description below. So let's start the video. To you by the Yeedi K600, this self-charging robot cleaner gets back to its charging dock as soon as the power lowers down. Also, it is pet-friendly, the hair won't tangle in the dust bin. Protected with a durable top cover, the Yeedi doesn't break down from minor bumps or scratches that might happen during the cleaning process. The nylon brushes are durable enough to clean up the dirt without damaging or scratching the hardwood floor. Key features: it has dual-side brushes coupled with a V-shaped rolling brush, it is covered with anti-scratch tempered glass, it also has a multi-function cleaning tool. About Yeedi: Yeedi is the robot home cleaning systems maker that is committed to providing high-quality products to meet the needs of millennials and young families' busy modern lifestyles. First-time buyers looking to be free from time-consuming household chores find Yeedi products easy to learn, use and maintain. Powerful motors, advanced brush design and long battery life make our robots a great fit for pet owners who deal with the hassle of cat and dog fur every day. Pros and cons: low noise level of 55 decibels, turbo mode for higher suction power, high performance air filters, and cons, not compatible with Alexa. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Be sure check out the description the links, for final most up-to-date pricing and all the product mentioned in this video.